Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon.
These are strange times and challenging times, and I think it is important for us to have a takeaway from these times. We are seeing a lot of changes. The primary change that we are seeing in this is the transition to the court systems transiting into video conferencing and online facilities. So, talking about video conferencing in particular, or the introduction of artificial intelligence in the legal court system, being a regular legal practitioner, I find that there are certain positive aspects of this new methodology, but there are certain issues which are far graver, which need to be addressed before we completely transition into this new method. The most important aspect that we need to look at is with regard to the nature of public hearings. Public hearing has always been the core component of the rule of law, the rule of natural justice. It is what makes the natural justice meaningful. A public trial, which is held in the view of the public and not in some kind of secrecy, is what lends the legitimacy to the court system. The justice system has the place that it has in the political sphere only because of the fact that it is open to public, there is transparency, and there is accountability. Now, these are the aspects which are going to become very important. I had the advantage of facing a court hearing by way of video conferencing. And what I found was that it was only the lawyers and the clients of a particular case who were allowed into the chat room and the video conferencing. Given the particular situation, it is unacceptable via media, but going forward, the aspect of having the trial open to everyone is what we have to look at and incorporate even technically. Therefore, the voices which hanker for live streaming of court proceedings have a lot of basis in that voice, because a public hearing is something which should be open to the entire public to hear and to judge. And while we have the advantage of low costs, less transportation, saves the environment, we have many advantages of video conferencing, most of all convenience. But going forward, I think what we really need to look at is how to, tame the wild elephant and to ensure that our technical aspects are in line with the basic concepts of our justice system. So what I would say to the youngsters at this point of time is to hone your skills, since a lot of you are millennials and you are moving forward in the technical sphere, is to hone your skills and probably make this technological advance a reality which also takes care of the basic rules of justice that we are. Thank you.